Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lower Burrell, or near Vandergrift, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Vandergrift, Apollo, Plum, Marysville, New Kensington, Lower Burrell, Harrison Township, Arnold, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, Springdale, Brackenridge. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412.